What's the time? Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so back in the bathroom with Daniel Oakley, fitting the new shower. So I've had a bit of a break, but this is where we're at. Now, this is all new to me. I've never done this before, especially not on a boat. But let's have a look at where we're at. So, as you know, last time I sealed the floor. I'm just about to cut a hole in the floor. I might need to chip into some of the ballast underneath. I don't know if you can see that just down there. So fit the waist. Now obviously I've added that bit there. I may need to extend that a bit because that's where the pipe from the pump will go to pump out the water. So I'll crack on now and cut that hole out. I've used a little cutter thing. Where is it? That's the hammer. Cut a thing there to cut that out. It took ages, but we'll get the rest cut out now. We'll get it cut out to size and see if we can fit this waist in, and then we can put the shower tray in. I'm probably going to use adhesive foam, not expanding foam, but adhesive foam. I need to level it out a bit because there is a bit of a ridge in the floorboard. So we'll sort that out as we go along. It's all new. I'm just going to get on with it. But yeah, it needs doing. So let's crack on. As long as it don't leak into the hole and sink the boat, but it won't do. It'll be all sealed properly. I'll make sure of that. Use this to cut the hole a bit better. I did use that thing. What's it called? What is it called? I can't remember. I'll have a look and put it in the thing, but I'm going to use the drill and one of these just to cut the hole. That's it. It's come undone. Right, let's put that back in. Do that one there. Make it a bit tidier. Whoops, that's not very good. I should have done it with that first. Right, let's do this bit here. Okay, so that's the waist hole cut. Now I left a bit of a gap there to fit the hose on. The shower tray comes to about there, so I've got plenty of room. That'll all be covered up anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten all this up. All these bolts, put some silicone sealer on there as well, double protection, because obviously we don't want anything running into the hole. And then we're kind of ready to fit the tray and glue it down. That's probably all I'm going to do today. Then I'll seal it round the back and the side, and then I can start side tiling. Well, I can work out where the pipes are going to come out. This wall here from the bedroom, they'll run up there, and the shower will be on the roof, so I can work that out. But that's done, so that's perfect. Okay, so that's the tray dry fitted. It's not stuck in yet. Just checking that pipe comes out there. It seems all right. Oh, another day, another dollar to waste. So in the position to start tiling. So I have the copper pipes are going to come out there. I've drilled through, that's in the bedroom now, so the pipes will go through, the main pipes will go through there, around the back there, attached to them, and that'll be brass pipes going up the wall. Okay, so that's my first row of tiles. Obviously I'll make this black and white so you can't see what colour it is. So let's start tiling.
A few moments later.
Right, so that's as far as we've got. That wall there, so I've still got to do up to there. And then we'll carry on around that wall. So yeah, getting somewhere. I hate tiling. It's just a pain, but it's got to be done. Got to be done.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so this is how far we got. I've tiled that wall there, which you've just seen. I've tiled that wall there, but it needs grouting. That wall has been grouted. I'm going to grout it again. Give it another bit in there, whatever you do, whatever you call it. And then that wall there is done. Pipes come through down the bottom there. Got that towel there just to protect the shower tray. Yeah, so tomorrow, tile round. Ooh, this is hard with this little camera. Tile round there. Strip all this off. The shaving point, I don't want that. Light and the mirror and that there, because it doesn't match with what I'm going to do. And then put it down like that. Well, I can't do it. Take that old cabinet out and put the vanity unit and put the new vanity unit in. Okay, thanks for watching. Obviously cracking on with the bathroom. Hopefully finish off that main wall in the next couple of days. Get the pipe work through, and then I can start planning the plumbing side of it. I've still got a tile, obviously 2 walls. I've got everything else I need now, the vanity unit, etc, etc. It might look a bit hot. Absolutely, I put a fire on the boat and it's absolutely boiling. It got a bit cold. As soon as you put it's all or nothing. So yeah, itchy nose. But yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be back cruising soon. I just want to get this bathroom done, and then all I've got left to do is just the main bedroom, because there's loads of space under it, but it's hard to get to. So I'm gonna have to strip the bed out and take some wood out from underneath of it, put some new supports in so I can store stuff under there, stuff I'm not using, like summer stuff in the winter and winter stuff in the summer. So yeah, so tatty pies for now, and I'll see you again soon.